Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doug on Sci-Fi on the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.2 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
Sorry about the coughing fit, everyone.
Oh, it's all good.
I'm going to apologize in every video. Just because. I would hate for you to be like, is she dying? What's happening?
Right.
Is she dying of consumption?
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, at least we're not turning left here.
Oh, yeah.
Although I feel like I could do it now, but sometimes.
I've had it go left here a couple of times.
Sometimes maybe do. Sometimes maybe should. Excellent. Go. There you go. Give it a little bit of encouragement. Let me know how fast we're going.
Once we get up to speed, I'll let you know how fast I can keep up with you at.
I'm at 44.
Okay.
So if you need me to go slower.
Doing fine.
Look at the trees have changed.
I know.
This is beautiful.
Beautiful time of year.
This is my favorite time of year. Like, I get why a lot of people say summer because it's warm and you can do things.
Yeah.
But around here, there's something just magical about fall. Because you get the colors, you get like the sagebrushes blooming, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's got that crispness in the air. Like, I love fall. Fall's always been my favorite.
It's a nice time of year.
And as they always say, sweater weather. It's sweater weather.
It's true.
I'm surprised this guy's actually stayed behind. I always like this road. It's a fun road to drive. But it's another road that I think too fast.
Too fast.
It's fine right now because there's not a lot of housing developments, but as this gets more and more developed,
it'll be
it's
too fast. Yep. I couldn't agree more. Well, and remember when the road first came, when they first built this road, it was 5 miles an hour slower than what it is now.
Mm-hmm.
But they did the nonsense of what we've talked about before, which is that they went out and did
They're
the
like, oh, well,
practice
everyone's
of,
driving,
everyone
yeah.
else is driving 10 miles an hour over this.
So let's push it to
So let's
40.
just make the speed limit higher.
Yeah.
Well, that's dumb. It's just so dumb.
Well, why didn't Canyon Lakes do that?
Like,
instead of installing those speed humps,
like this is so
just make Canyon Lakes drive faster.
Yeah,
No problem solved.
Yeah, no kidding. I mean, I know the reason why we can't do it. I've said it before because of the golf carts.
I know. I'm being sarcastic.
Yeah.
Sarcasm.
But but it's the same concept. It's like,
Yeah.
why don't we just boost that up? Apparently,
problem solved.
doesn't make any sense.
Kind of like school zones. Little kiddies.
Yeah.
Survival of the fittest.
You know, I drive 50 through school zones just so I can get extra points.
Right.
Just in case anything bad happens, extra points.
Right. You really need to watch The Good Place. Because, like, the whole premise of the show is that while you're living, you get positive points for doing good things and negative points for doing bad things. So, like, they have, like, the most random, like, when they go over what some of the point values are.
That person is worth 10 points. Okay.
next week's drives will be the you're not calling it solo action
drives. Yeah.
It was like auto drive. Like I couldn't think of what the word was.
When I don't send up Wilson in the air, I just call them action drives because they're like an action camera that you just put on the car.
Fair enough.
But I try to do them longer duration because I think they make really cool time lapse.
Yeah. Well, we'll be going up to Spokane, so yeah. Take you through Green Bluff.
Up for that.
See, I appreciate it. It slowed down around the turn.
Blind turn,
Yeah. See, it's the little things that I really appreciate.
The subtle things.
And the exact opposite of why I get frustrated sometimes, because again, it's the little things that it messes up that you're like, oh, we had that. What happened? It's kind of like when kids come back from summer and we're like, we learned this. Well. We learned this. What happened? Maybe that's what we should start calling it. Is it summer brain?
I know. Do you have your summer brain fog? Is that the problem?
So, like in theory, it should stay in this lane since we're going to be going right in the roundabout. See if it tries to run the red light.
That one's been weird.
But that's what I'm saying. It's like summer brain.
That one's been weird.
We're going to start calling it Becca in the roundabout. Pulled a Becca in the roundabout.
I pulled a Becca today.
I pulled a doggone sci-fi.
Yeah, right? I pulled a sci-fi in the roundabout.
That is the hallmark, I think, of a good relationship, is you can laugh at your own shortcomings. And you can enjoy that joke with your partner.
For sure.
And it's not a mean joke.
No.
It's not a, like, passive-aggressive, like, you're an idiot. Like, it's genuinely, yeah.
All done it.
I've earned it. There we go. Excellent. See, this roundabout, I think, is designed much better. You have a physical divider that shows you're going to be going right, everyone else is going straight.
Yep.
That is how that roundabout should be done.
I agree.
All right, here we are.
Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.2 full self-driving software stack. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you guys again in another one. Take care. Bye.
I don't know how to turn off the turning. Oh, there it goes. Okay.